Gotta look out the window over here. That is just gorgeous. Extreme close-up of the aspen trees. By the way, the yellow trees are the aspen trees, hence the name Aspen, Colorado. We've learned all sorts of interesting tidbits along the way. And we're at how many feet above sea level right now?
I think close to 8,000 feet.
8,000 feet above sea level, ladies and gentlemen. We feel it too. But it's well worth it. Seen some amazing scenes of nature on this trip.